Hello everyone, it's David here once again, and today I wanted to show you guys the craziness that just happened to me this week. So I was up north at camp during the Memorial Day weekend, and I was just about to do some videos, some prepping videos, and look at this. So as soon as I turned the power on, this is what I came to with. Yeah. You can see that? That doesn't look good at all. Yeah, so this is a broken screen. It's a Lenovo Ideapad 320. I've had this laptop for about a few years. Well, basically back in 2018, and this is what happened. So fortunately, I looked up on a YouTube video on how to fix this type of screen. And it's actually pretty easy as I thought it would be. So I do have the screen. So once I get that going, I'm gonna fix it right now. So what you want to do is that you want to shut it off, and let me get the kit ready so I can show you guys. Hold on a second. Alright, so I do have the screen, but I'm not going to take it out right now. But what you're going to need is that this comes with the kit. So what we're going to do is that we are going to, this comes with a few things. Let me see. It's kind of like a lot of things, but, So we just need to pop open the screen here. I'm not sure what these are though. So, and I guess I thought one of them came with trying to think. So one of them came with tweezers and all this stuff, because there's one part we need to do. So, we also gonna need this. This is a Phillips screwdriver, and this one here. Now I actually did this off camera, but the only problem was that I was trying to find there was one difficult part I have to find out. So let me see what I can do here. I have to remove this bottom piece, because I gotta remove this whole back part out. So hold on a second, just yeah, this is very difficult to find out how to do this. So I just have to see if I can do it with this. Hold on a second, I'm just trying to find out, because this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Alright, because I gotta pop this open. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do this. So you just pop the sides open right here, and you just remove all this. That exposes the parts of it, actually, but the only thing is that I'm trying to figure out how to get the side thing. Oh, I just take this out? No, I guess not. Okay, so no, that's not the right one. Alright, so you just gotta remove the sides, and I'm gonna see if I can do it. There's another way to doing it. It's doing it on. It's part of here, but I don't know exactly, like, I just have to remove, I mean, well, not remove, but it would be nice to remove the whole black thing, but I can't remove the, well, maybe I can do this. Hold on a second. Pet's peeve is that trying to let's just hope I don't break the new screen for doing this, but you know. Alright, give me a second. I'll figure out how to do this. I just don't want to drain my GoPro battery for doing this. So what I did was that I had to remove this, and I used the pliers. I wish I could show it to you, but this is my first time doing this procedure, and I didn't want to waste battery on the camera, so I apologize for that. Hopefully I'll be able to pop this back in. Alright, so now everything's like made out of plastic and all that stuff, so it doesn't really help in doing it. So alright, so next thing you want to do is that you're gonna unscrew those things right there. There's 4 of them on each side, so let me make sure I get the right one. Okay. Oh man, they're small. I gotta be careful not to lose these. Yeah, I think that can fold down. I may have to oh my gosh, this is so small. Alright, I'll get that later. I didn't think they were that small from the beginning with. Alrighty. Oh, it's about to come out, but alright, I'll see if I can get that small one, but not right now. Now the screen, once the screen should hop open, well, should be removed. And once we do that, am I doing the right one? Just want to make sure. Okay. Alright. This procedure might take you about a few minutes depending on how long you do it for. But let's see. Hopefully this is worth it when we get in. So now, this should come down. Oh wait, this is not the right one. Hold on. I did the wrong one. It's got to be oh my gosh. Hold on. All right, so I removed the screen, as you can see, and now I gotta get this part. There's supposed to be a little thing right there, okay, and that should come out. All right, that's perfect. All right, that's better than expected. That was also one of the hardest things to do. I actually ended up putting the bolts in, so now I got to remove that. This is the broken one. So now just put the new one in. So yeah, let me get that. Just give me 1 second. So here's the new one. Here's the new screen. I know it doesn't look any different, but this is the new screen, and I'll show you. So I'm going to be as gentle as possible. As you can see, you can tell because that's the... So let's see. Okay, so now we're going to reconnect that back in. It's always important to make sure it's in there straight, make sure it's not twisted or something like that. Alright, so that's in place. So now I'm going to be as gentle as possible and try to... Oh, that's on. Looks like it's... Oh, those things are bented. Well, I think they probably would had to be like that. Oh. Okay, hold on a second. Probably have to be straightened and all this stuff, so okay. Now, here comes the trickiest part. So we're gonna screw one of these in. Yeah, this is what well, this is the part I hate most of all, because I can't find a way to secure this thing without, like... I think that's in the right spot, but oh, wrong tool. Where's the Phillips? Where's the Phillips? I can't find my Phillips somewhere. I know I just had it. Alrighty. Hold on a second. I can't find it. It's all over. I'm all over the place right now. So let's see. Hold on. Here it is. I found it. Just seconds after I log out. It was here, but it was like underneath where my computer is. Of course, come on. I may have to do this off camera because I have no idea how to line this thing up. Okay, here it is. So technically, it's just like the same thing you're doing then to reverse it and all that stuff. You just gotta you know, line it up perfectly. So yeah, when I just logged into my computer on Monday night and all that stuff, and I just discovered that this thing was broken off. So I mean, well, not broken off, but it looked like it was broken. So I don't know how I did it. You know, like, how did I do that, for example, because that wasn't really perfect for me. Alright, this might be a little crooked. That's because hold on, I'm gonna do this off camera. It's basically the same thing. You're just gonna put it back in, so hold on. Alright guys, so I just put the thing all together. Now, there was a slight problem with this one. I couldn't really reconnect this thing. It was kind of really difficult. I don't know if I broke something off of it because, well, the only problem is that it was the only way to get this this part out, the frame. But now let's see if this will work. Alrighty, it's back on. Oh shoot! Oh, don't want to do that. Alrighty, so let's preparing automatic repair. So yeah, the screen looks nice though, very nice. And I guess that's what it was. It needed a new screen. So yeah, I don't know about this pod. This pod, when I was looking up videos and all that stuff of tutorial, this part was kind of like the hardest part because I had no idea why that was not geez, I can't think for a second. Why was that always the hardest part? There was another way of doing it, but it was only to get this black panel out. So anyway, well, that's it guys. So I hope this video helps out. I mean, I'm sorry for some of the unfortunate parts, but I don't think this part is important. As long as the screen works, it's fine. So alrighty guys, so we're back to Rook. Alrighty guys, so like I said, subscribe, hit that notification bell button so you don't miss out on my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Wait, I hit the wrong button.